Hello tech enthusiast! In today's video we will be learning how you can force a booting to the Advanced Startup Options menu in Windows 10 or Windows 11. Before we begin, I would appreciate if you hit that like button. If your PC is experiencing issues such as corrupted files, BSOD, or startup issues, you can fix them by going to the Advanced Startup option. These options can help troubleshoot and repair startup problems as well as recover your system from backup. You can access these options. To do that, click the Windows Start button. Click Power. Then first hold the Shift key and click Restart. You can now go to the Troubleshooting option, where you can reset your PC, or go to the Advanced options. Here, you can go to the Startup Repair option, use the command prompt, System Restore or System Recovery option, and much more. If you find this video helpful, hit sub or follow if you want to learn more about computers.